Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin but want to use your trusty PayPal account? First things first, head over to Coinbase.com and if you don't already have an account, click the sign up button, follow the prompts to create your account, verifying your email and completing the necessary security steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the linked accounts or payment methods section, usually found under your profile settings. Look for the option to add a payment method and select PayPal. You'll be redirected to PayPal to securely log in and authorize Coinbase to access your account. Make sure to carefully review the permissions before granting access. Now that your PayPal is linked, go back to the Coinbase dashboard and click on the Buy/Sell button. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to buy in your local currency. Make sure your PayPal account is selected as the payment method. Coinbase will then show you a preview of the transaction, including any fees involved. Pay close attention to the total amount you'll be paying. Remember that using PayPal might incur slightly higher fees compared to other payment methods like bank transfers. If everything looks good, confirm the purchase and just like that, you've bought Bitcoin on Coinbase using PayPal. Your Bitcoin will now be safely stored in your Coinbase wallet. Keep an eye on its value and remember to explore the other features Coinbase has to offer.